Hey there, what's up everyone? It's Lee and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make stickers in iOS 16. But before we get started, there's an important thing to note. Your iPhone needs to have an A12 Bionic chip or greater. If you have an iOS device running iOS 16 but it does not have the A12 Bionic, then this feature of making a sticker won't work for you. To create a sticker, you need to go to your Photos application and select a picture with a clear foreground and background. Once you have your desired picture, press and hold on the object that you want to cut out. You will see a cool animation effect that shows you what has been cut out. Then, you will get the option of copy or share. If you want to save the image, select save, and now the image has been saved. If you want to share it using the Messages app, press and hold to copy the sticker, then go into the Messages application and send it to anyone you want. Alternatively, you can move your finger around without lifting it off the screen. This will lift it up, that specific object, and you can then use your gestures to go to the home screen, then go back to the Messages application and drag it and drop the sticker into the message. An important note is that the picture needs to have a good background and foreground, and there needs to be enough separation. If there is not enough clarity between the background and foreground, you won't be able to cut out the object. So that's how to create a sticker on the iPhone running iOS 16. Also remember, you need the iPhone running an A12 Bionic processor from Apple for this to work. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and thank you for watching.